I want to share with you my experiences using GenStone Faux panels as part of my basement finish project. Most of my basement was done by contractors, but I did carve out a couple projects to do by myself. I am not an expert in construction by any means, but if you can measure, cut with saws, drill and glue, you can do this too. There was a GenStone distributor about an hour from my house, and so I went to visit them. They were very helpful, and I decided that that was the most realistic faux stone that I could use in my basement. Cutting the panels can be done with a handsaw, but I found a small power Dremel saw made long cuts very quickly. You can see how lightweight it is. I can pick it up with one hand. Very easy to work with. I would certainly use this again. It took me about 30 hours to complete the project, but everyone who visits my home loves the work that was done.